Hello everyone, today I am going to show you the place where we will be staying for 2 nights. Let's start with the bedroom. This is the bedroom, guys. So let's check this out. Yeah, there's no beddings yet, so I'm going to put the beddings myself. Okay. Here is the toilet. It's spacious. So we are staying at cabin number 10. So this is the kitchen. It's fully furnished. By the way, those aren't included, guys. Those are the food that we took with us. There's a fridge. And here's a table, television, air condition, and the sofa. So it's kind of late now, guys. I'm planning to show you outside, but yeah, now it's dark. So by the way, here is a terrace over here. Yeah. Hello guys, good morning. So we are going for a hike today to Malmangernuten in Rosendal. Time check right now, it's 5 minutes after 8 o'clock, so we are a little bit behind our schedule because we were actually planning of leaving here at 7 o'clock. So I'm having this is my attire today, guys. I have a jacket, fleece jacket, pants. And in the morning, it's kind of cold, guys, around 8 centigrades. And according to the weather forecast, it's going to be 18 centigrades today. So we'll see. So guys, that peak there, that will be the one where we will be walking to today. Hi, so we just parked here by Rosendal Fjord Hotel. There. Okay guys, so here it is, Malmangernuten 3.5 and 890 meters above sea level. Time check, it's 8:30 and we are starting our ascent. Here is where the fun starts. I thought we'll be walking towards that way, but that's going to Guddal. And here is the sign, Malmangernuten. So we need to walk this way. Look at that, guys. Wow, very steep. And we're not even halfway yet. Hi guys, we're soon getting there, slowly but surely, and we just got out from the woods, and this is the view. Into the woods again. We're now not that far to the steps that the Sherpas made. Whew.
Oh, yes.
Hello, son. We're getting there, guys, but first of all we're going to have a short stop here and I'm going to show you the view. Look. Wow. So here's the Sherpa steps.
Hello.
I blocked. And this is the view.
How did you do it?
Oh my God. More. We're not there yet, guys. But this is the view you'll see along the way up. Behind me there, there's a valley. There's a fjord. And here's Rosendal. So the higher you get, the better view. Soon there. So here's another sign, Malmangernuten, that way. So guys, I thought we are finished with the worst. So now we are going to walk down there, you see, and take the steps again towards there to the top. Oh, just a little bit more. We are here now, and it took us 6 hours to get up here. It's really shameful. Anyway, it's really embarrassing, guys, but anyway, we did our best, and we are not well trained compared to the others, or we're not actually fit to do this hike. So by the way, guys, this is the view from here. Very nice view, guys. Hi. Seek to 100 meters. So guys, we are now on our way back, but we will not be going the same way. So we choose to walk via Hardangerfjord. Over there in a waterfall. We see if we can take a little bit closer. So by the way, guys, this is our first time to walk here. So now we are starting our descent towards the valley, and we thought we lost the path or we walked too far, and yeah, so we found the police, we found the rescue people, so we only needed to walk a couple of meters, and then here's the path. And we were just advised to walk carefully because it's
taxi when we get down there.
Yeah, because it's very steep. So by the way, guys, that's the valley, and time check, it's around 6 o'clock now, and it's cold. Luckily I took extra jacket with me. Hi guys, so finally we made it, and I'm just going to show you. Hopefully it's clear. You can see it from here. So we went from there all the way down, and it was very steep that some parts you we need to use the rope, guys, and it was also very slippery.